Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Come check it out. We're moving on to the interior. We're going to have this jet black interior with storage and cup holder storage on the bottom here, right next to our rear liftgate control. You'll have accompanied speakers there. It'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors to power windows with the chrome accent handle. And moving on to the seats, you're going to have these two-tone cloth bucket seats, both heated, very comfortable. Left side you have your vents and your lighting control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and your heated steering wheel. On the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. The odometer cluster control pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip range, as well as oil life, air filter, your timer, as well as music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and then there's other settings as well. You'll be push to start there. Of course, you'll have a climate control with your auto stop right above it. And here onto the infotainment system, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, like I said, with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and also OnStar navigation and services. You can also access your front, rear, and your 360-degree camera, as well as your hitch camera with hitch guidance. Down below, you're going to have an SD card reader, as well as 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. With the park assist right above, you have the new shifter here as well, parking brake, and of course your center console with 2 extra USB ports. Passenger side's manually adjustable, so that two-tone finish, very comfortable. It's going to go across the dash, as well as speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps, your OnStar and your SOS, as well as your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 17-inch alloy wheels with the paint match mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handles. Black luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. You also have your black badging as well. Powered liftgate. You're also going to have the 60/40 rear folding seats, as well as extra lamps in the back with 12-volt DC port and hooks, and of course, extra wheel well storage. It's a very spacious rear. We're moving on to the rear now. Speakers on the bottom, right next to your cup holder and storage. We'll come up here to the power windows with the chrome accent handle again. Once we hop in the back, you're going to have storage behind the passenger seat with rear ventilation, rear USB ports, and all the way on the bottom, you're also going to have an AC wall charger. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. It's being checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, also equipped with lane keep assist, forward collision alert, dual pane sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Park.